Ustaz.
Naam.
Some Can I ask a question? So at times I have problem pronouncing sword. I don't get this well. This
Okay.
I've been trying to. I don't really get it. At times I get it. At times I don't get it. So I do. To me, I just don't. I don't know. But if I know, I need to get it. I don't get sword. I don't get the alphabet well.
Okay. Let me see whether we can see some demonstration here. Can you all see the whiteboard?
Naam.
Ustaz.
There are letters in we call I told you earlier that we have what we call as-sifat, that is attributes of letter, and we have al-makharij, that is the manners of articulation. So attributes now describes the nature of that particular letter, its looks and how its sound is being produced, right? Just like let me make reference to English language. In English, we have letters and we have sounds. When we have, if in English you write something like this is an A, right?
Yeah.
So by the time you put in transcription symbol, it becomes what? A, not A again, right? So the same thing. It is this transcription symbol that is telling us, okay, this letter A, this is its nature. This is how it's supposed to be produced. In the course of what usage, it's supposed to be A, not A. A is the name of the symbol, but the sound is what? A, right?
Yeah.
So it is the same in English, in Arabic. This one that we've done is now the sifat, is bringing out the word, the attribute, the actual way of producing the sound, the letter. So now we have what we call a sword. It looks like, I hope it will write, because sword, and we have sin, and we have ta. So now these are three letters. There are three different symbols. So, but they tend to, whenever you produce them, we tend to hear a hissing sound coming out of the mouth. That is what they are called as safir, the sifat, the attribute. There are those letters that when you produce, you will be hearing hissing sound from your mouth. So, for example, when you say sword, sin, if you now put a harka, that is a vowel letter, a vowel symbol, fatha. So you tend to get confused between these two. Sin, if you say sin fatha, it is sa. Then this sword, this one, the first one here, it is called the first one. I will highlight it. This one, I think you can see it. That one is called sword. So if it is fatha, the dalun will not be heard. It will be so, not sa. This one, this particular one is called sa, from the tip of the tongue behind the upper incisor. Sa. Just normal sa will have SIR in English. Sa. Yeah, did you get that? When you write SIR, this is sa, right? So this English pronunciation of sa is what we are referring to as sin here, sin fatha, sa. But this particular one here, which is sword, so if it is fatha, it will now become something like past tense of C. So. Yes. So. But this one has is sa, while this one is so. Yes. Yes. So and this one down, it is what? Sa.
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 Your
Sa.
the tip of the tongue will be in between the upper incision and the down incision. It will in between. Sa. Just
Sa.
as we have in English in the word thank. Thank.
Sa.
Right? Thank.
Mm.
It is not thank. It's what? Thank.
Sa.
Right?
I
Or
understand.
think. So this letter, this TH is representing this letter, Tha.
Okay.
So if we are to eliminate NK, it will now become Tha,
Sa.
right?
Sa. No.
So that is the correct pronunciation of that third one. So the one you are asking for, just remember the keyword, person of C, saw. So it is
So.
sought fatha, saw, saw. Why this one is sin fatha, sa.
Sa.
To this one, when you are pronouncing it, this particular one, your mouth is a little bit oval. Why this
Over.
one, your mouth is widely open.
Okay.
This one here, um, this one here, this one, the mouth is oval.
Okay.
Whereas this one, the mouth is widely open. Sa. Why this
Sa.
one is saw. Yes, you get
So.
the different right?
Now.
Yes, yes.
So.
Uh,
So far,
now,
so.
now,
So. Okay. That's
uh,
me.
oh yeah, okay. So I think this will mark the end of the class. Inshallah, till next meeting. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.
Thank you, Ustaz. Shukran lak.
Uh, yeah.
Is this Brother Kazim? Are
Assalamu
you there?
alaikum. Naam,
Wa
I am.
alaikum assalam.
Yeah. So, what's your feedback?
I like the class. Like I'm very interactive. Jazakumullah khairan.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh, Jazakum. Yeah.
Then you come